So good afternoon everybody, it's from Jayashree, working as assistant professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take the registers and counters from analog and devices. The topic name is what? RS flip-flop. Here RS is nothing but, so I am going to take the RS flip-flop under registers and counters, right? So what is RS flip-flop? R means reset, set means set, flip-flop or latch. It is another type of bistable multi-vibrator circuit commonly used as a digital electronics and sequential logic circuits. The RS flip-flop has two inputs, set and reset, and two outputs, namely Q and Q bar. Okay, from this concept we know that R means reset, set means set, and latch. Okay, and this is what the truth table for RS flip-flop. The first two columns indicates the inputs R and S, and the next two column indicates the Q and Q bar outputs, and the last column indicates the description. Here 0 0 is the first input. If it is 0 0, the output is the same state, it holds on the previous state. If it is 0 1, the output is the same state, 0 1. If the set is 1, the output is 1. Similarly, if the reset is 1, it will reset the output Q to 1 and Q dash to 0. From this input we know that, right, in the previous output we have 0 and 1, right, but here the input is what? 1 0. This Q, that is this previous Q, was changed from 0 to 1, and this Q dash is changed from 1 to 0, and at last 1 1, the 1 1 is the input. This 1 1 is nothing but last inputs. Okay, last inputs. If R and S both the inputs are 1, the output is 0 0. It is what? Invalid state. Okay, this is what the RS flip-flop truth table. I will repeat the truth table. R and S are the two inputs, Q and Q dash are the two outputs, 0 0 are the two inputs, and QT and Q dash of T is nothing but the previous state, hold no state, and 0 1. If R is 0 and the set is 1, the output is Q naught, that is Q of T1 0 and Q dash is 1. If R is 1 and S is 0, the output is reset from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, and finally we get 1 1 as 1 1 input as the output as 0 0. This is what the explanation which I told earlier is mentioned here. As inputs R and S as the two inputs, set is nothing but when set is 1, its output is equal to 1. If reset is 1, it resets the output to 0. That is what the set and reset concept in the flip-flops. The output, the RS flip-flop has the two outputs, the normal output and the inverter output. The inverter output is indicated by the Q bar and the normal output is indicated by Q. Okay, when both the set and reset inputs are 0, the circuit holds its state, maintaining the previous states. Okay, that is, when both the set and reset inputs are 0, the circuit holds its state, maintaining the previous output. That is, in the initial state, when set and reset are 0 0, the circuit holds its state, maintaining the previous output. When set equal to 1 and reset equal to 0, the output becomes 1. The output becomes 1. That is, when set is 1, the value of the output is 1, and reset is 0, the output is 0. That is what the Q is inversely proportional to Q bar. Okay, when set is 0 and reset is 1, the output becomes 0. When both the inputs are 1, the circuit behaves as a undefined state or forbidden state. Okay, this is what the RS flip-flop. I will repeat this. Let us see the summary of this RS flip-flop. The RS flip-flop is known as set reset flip-flop, and another type of bistable multi-vibrator circuit used in digital electronics and sequential circuits. The RS flip-flop has two inputs, set and reset, and two outputs, namely Q and Q bar. This is what this RS flip-flop truth table. R and S are the two inputs, and Q and Q bar are the two outputs, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1, If the set is 1, the output is 1. For other cases, it is reset to 0. There are two inputs and two outputs which I mentioned already in the block diagram. And the output is nothing but one is normal output, another one is inverted output. When both set and reset are 0, the circuit voltage stays. When set is equal to 1 and reset equal to 0, the output becomes 1. When reset is equal to 1 and set is equal to 0, the output becomes 0. Okay. So thank you all.